Alright guys, here comes Express with more gallery cars leading. This 4017 leading? What the heck? I think it's 4017 leading, guys, I think. Woo! Woo! Has to be 4017. No, it's 4024. Woohoo! Thanks guys, see you next video. Woohoo! Alright guys, here comes MP36. Let's see what's leading this. Express. Woo! Woo! At the back. Anyways guys, see you next video. Woohoo! Alright guys, here comes the Railfaning Express that's flying through here. Woo! Woo! 4017 leading. Woohoo! Out the back guys. Woohoo! Anyways guys, see you next video. Woohoo! Alright guys, here comes 912 leading the 920. Wow! Woohoo! What the heck? Did you guys see that? Caltrain's becoming like ace, guys. F40's with bombardier cars. Oh my god. 117 and 120, I think we're on that. Anyways guys, see you in the next video. Woohoo! Alright guys, here comes Caltrain 274. I want the 925 to come, the MP36 guys. Because I really miss them. And 928's back. With 4011 at the back. Cab car 4011 at the back, guys. Woohoo! Anyways, guys, see you. Oh, never mind. There's a train approaching. Looks like all the F40s are on hooked up to the bombardiers. Yeah. Just talking to the conductor guys about all the bombardier cars are hooked up to the F40s. Oh, here goes the Bombardier Express, guys. Woohoo! Let's see. I hope 925's at the back, guys. Yes, 925's at the back. Should be. Wait, hold on. Let me check about that. Woo! I feel like it's a new. I feel like it's a new cab car, guys. Let's see here. Woo! Oh, that's a good meet. Oh wow, it's flying. Woo! Yeah, it has to be a new cab car. Woo! Woo! 115, guys. Woohoo! Woo! And 925 in the back. Woohoo! 2016 cab car sounds great. Woohoo! Anyways, guys, see you on the next video. That was awesome. Bye-bye. I mean, see you on the next video. Woohoo! Alright, guys, here comes the Express. Woo! Guys, woo! Guys, there should be another train coming. Yeah, there. Woo! Wait, what train is this? You'll see it in just a second, guys. Gallery cars. Woohoo! Oh, it's 277 with 4016 rating. I think 906 is at the back. 916 or 906 is at the back, guys. There goes 4016 leading, what number is this? Woohoo! I don't know what the number is, guys, but 4016 cab car is leading. And something, 6 is up there. It's either 906 or 916. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah, guys, it's 906. Guys, see you on the next video. Woohoo! Alright, guys, here comes the Express. Woo! 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 4021. Woohoo! Anyways, guys, see you on the next video. Woohoo! Alright, guys, here comes the California Express. Woo! 40 leading with gallery cars only. Woo! Woo! 917! Woo! Woo! Yeah, guys, 917 is my favorite F40. Anyways, guys, see you on the next video. Woohoo! Alright, guys, here comes Caltrain 282. Woo! F40 is leading, guys. Woo! Nice turn leading. Woo! With 4022 at the back. Woo! Hi. 22 is at the back, guys. Sharp car. Yeah, 282 should be getting a roll out of here, guys. Woohoo! Yep, they're getting out of here right now, guys. There's guys still next to me. Woohoo! Alright guys, here comes Caltrain 288 with the 40 leading. Woo! 717. Woo! 911 leading. Woo! Woohoo! Anyways guys, still next to me. Woohoo! Alright guys, here comes Caltrain 287. Woo! Bombardier cars. Woohoo! 113 again's leading, guys, with 100. Wait, 112 at the back. Woo! Woo! Nice bell, guys. Woohoo! 113. Tolls at the back, guys. Should be. Yeah, we saw 113 earlier. Didn't report it though. There goes 113. Woohoo! Leading 287 out of here, guys. Woohoo! I think the bell's on that 40. The bell's on that 40. Nice over the back. Woo! Great train, you too. And those guys showing us to do. Woohoo! Alright guys, here comes the Bravo local. Woo! Alright guys, here comes Caltrain 289 and we got the Mr. Bay local behind us. So let's see 289. Woo! 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 Yeah, the Mission Bay is coming right behind. Let me just get this first, guys. Woo! Come on, 289, give a good horn show. Yeah, guys, I'll get it. I'll get the Mission Bay behind us. Woo! 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 118 leading. Woo! Woo! One light, guys. Woo! On the till next video, guys. Woo! Alright, guys, here comes 191. Woo! Leading, guys. Woo! Alright guys, there goes 4020 leading California 191 out of here. Should be going any second. Sounds really good, guys. Dang, it sounds great. Woohoo! And 921 after that, guys. Woohoo! And guys, still next video. Woohoo! Alright, guys, here comes California 190. Woo! MP36 leading. Woo! I hope it's 925 leading. I hope it is. Woo! Woo! Guys, 925 is my favorite MP36 engine. For the MPs, guys. My second favorite MP36 is 923. My first is 925, of course, guys. And guys, if you like, there's like a dirty dirt train or something behind it. I'm just getting up to the engine, guys. Sorry, guys, I'm just running. Another back, guys. Woohoo! Anyways, guys, there might be a dirty trim behind us. I don't know don't know, but we keep hearing this horn. If it's not dirty dirt, guys, then the dirt's a dirty dirt. I'll see you on the next video, guys. But if there's not a dirty dirt train, then bye-bye. Yes, guys, bye-bye. Woo!